Are you on a split shift? Hi, fuck you, you're not doing that.
These are sweet, eh?
Yo, can I just chill with my friends for a sec?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you all.
Back to high school love, the kind without the drugs. Not just two city kids. We would run around and tear a few things down. That's the worst that it would get. Bad, we're in trouble now. Oh, so they say. They've got us figured out. But we kinda like it that way. It was just a crush, but wild and dangerous. You and I were out too late. Started in my car, might have gone too far, but we were down to make mistakes. Bad